I'm Kyle, and I'm the retired Revamper. I'm a Cold War veteran and a retired structured cable engineer, and I'm putting this channel together so I can help people out there do DIY projects on their home, cars, RVs, and even their swimming pool when it needs a little maintenance. The pool here is very large and a lot to keep up with, but stay tuned to our channel and see how our doodles tried to kill our robot and not let it clean the pool anymore. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell and follow us. A revamper, by the dictionary, is a person who modifies, upgrades, improves things, especially vehicles, homes, your gear, or systems, by repairing, redesigning, and customizing them for better function, durability, or appearance. Well, at least that's what Webster's dictionary says. On the Retired Revamper, I want you to join me, my wife, our two insane Bernie doodles that you may see run past me while I'm trying to film, for DIY projects around our house, in our RV, on our truck, and while we're on the road. You never know, we might have a blowout, could be anything, but you'll watch us try to fix it and overcome it. And while we're doing all that, we may try to have a little bit of fun. As you see by all the pictures that are scrolling by, because we don't have video for everything, are all the projects that we've been doing over the years, from installing a hot tub, to updoing cabinetry, to building my wife a baker's rack, to modifying our RV. But what I'm going to do is walk you through how I do things as we're doing them, with step-by-step practical fixes, safety tips, and time-tested veteran shortcuts. What I'm going to do is explain to you how I do it and why I do it the way I do. It's not for everybody. I'm sure there'll be lots of opinions in the comments of how I do things, how I should have done things. But come along with me and my wife as we travel the country in our RV with our two crazy doodles, Maddie and Roxy, and tackle problems as they happen. And like I said before, have some fun. Remember to make sure you tune in next week, because we're getting a 4G LTE router that we're going to be installing in our RV and drilling through the roof to mount an antenna so that we'll have high-speed internet while we're on the road. We're trying to make sure that trailer's ready to travel in April and we can start going out and enjoying our RV.